Is that your ribbon? Hey, what about this one? What about this one? Well, where's your ball? Penelope. Oh no! Did you find the shoes? What you doing? What you doing? Where's your ribbon? Oh, you found a piece of crap. Don't play with the stuff on the floor. I don't even know what that is. Is that a flower petal? It's a leaf. Get your ribbon! No? Boy, you found like every nook and cranny that I had no idea existed. Come here. Come here. Say bye-bye. Oh my god. Well, say goodbye anyway.